How to center image in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so I have opened my Google Docs. So let me change color and all. Okay, so I just make by default. Okay, so this is my Google Docs. So how you can make the your image in center, I will show you. First you need to insert the any image. So I just you insert image from computer, but I search here from web to show you quickly. So I take this image. Okay, this image has been inserted. Okay, it is inserted now. So you can minimize and maximize the size like this. Okay, so if you want to make the center of the image, you have just click on that image and make sure you have clicked inline option, and now come here and just click on center. It will become center, but you can see it is not move freely here. It is only come to the center, but if you want to move it freely, just click on it again and make sure you click on this wrap text, or you can use any of this option. I just use the wrap text, and now if I click on it and hold it, it can be moved. Okay, so you can simply come make this center by dragging like this, and make sure this red line has come up. Then when its red light come up, it means your image has come on center. You can see. Okay, you can move up or down anywhere, but if you want to make center, just make sure this red line or any other color line will come and show it. It showed like it is center. Okay, so that is how you can make image center in Google Docs. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.